Once upon a time, in a jungle far, far away, a butterfly laid an egg and flew away. When the egg hatched, out came Flutter. She loves watching other animals growing up.
You're so yummy. Oh, hi! Look what I've got. Chocolate fish. I've been saving them and... Uh-oh! That hungry eagle's hunting for something to eat. I gotta protect my fishies. Wait on. I know someone who can help. She lives in Alaska. There. Know who this is? She's a moose. Oh, look, there's her baby. Oh, that hungry wolf is after her baby. Be careful. Oh, no, the wolf's coming. Look out, Mummy Moose. Oh, he's getting closer. What? Oh, another one. 2 hungry wolves. Oh, Mum. Oh, no, here they come. Baby can't run fast enough to escape. They're surrounded. Oh, no. It's time for Mum to do something amazing. Brave Mum stands between the wolves and her baby. And then she fights back. Yeah, go Mum! Charge! Oh, look out! Behind you, Mum! Whoa! Woohoo! Oh, Mum's so brave! Yeah! Baby Moose is safe. Hey, that gives me an idea. If Mummy Moose can protect her baby by being really brave, then I can too. Oh no! Oh, that eagle's coming back again. Oh, I gotta be brave like Mummy Moose. Oh, he's getting closer. Oh, okay, here we go. That's right, get out of here. Woohoo! Yeah, it pays to be brave. Now my little chocolate fish are safe. Thanks, Mummy Moose.
Are you tired of living in a hole?
I can fix it.
Having trouble with the laundry?
I can fix it.
Are your neighbors being naughty?
Then send me a letter, 'cause I can fix it. Hi there. Oh, boy, we've got a big problem to solve today. I've got a letter here from a friend who's really hungry. She lives in this lake. Oh, there she is. Yeah, she's a fish. A super special fish called Those little babies are in danger. The lake is full of hungry fish who eat baby cichlids. Eat! To keep her baby safe, Mummy Cichlid is always on the lookout for trouble. Oh boy, here come some baby stealers now. So Mum leaps into action. Whoa! Did you see that? Mummy Cichlid hides her babies inside her mouth. Ha ha! No one can get them now. They're safe and sound. Yeah! So, here's the problem. When Mummy Cichlid is keeping all her babies safe, there's no room in her mouth for food. She doesn't eat for ages. That's why she's written to me. She's starving. But don't you worry, Mummy Cichlid. I can fix it. Check this out. It's my super safe babysitter bowl. Just press a button. Close the door and your babies are snug inside. You can go and get something to eat. Genius. There you are, Mummy Cichlid. Problem solved. One super safe babysitter bowl coming straight at you.
For recreational use only. Some assembly required.
I have fixed it.
Oh boy! Owl is gonna love this. I'm gonna send it to him now.
How fascinating. I did not know that. Oh, I have a message. Oh my, it's from Flash. He's sending me another fascinating animal file. Oh, I wonder what it'll be today. Can you help me guess? Let's have a listen. What a strange noise. Do you know what it is? Good. Here come the pictures. That will help. Yes. Well, let's see. That looks like brown fur. Wait on. There's a paw. And is that a hole in a tree? Good. The download's complete. Let's see what it is. Aha! It's a hollow tree. And there are little babies inside. Oh, wonderful. Well, that explains the noise. Now I know what animals Flash sent to me. They are baby mouse lemurs, and they're calling for their mummy. There she is. Home at last. Happier families again. Woo-hoo. Marvelous. The mouse lemur. add to my database. Thanks, Flash, and thanks to you for helping. Oh. Dear Flash, thank you very much for the lovely new addition to my animal database.
Let's go! Wanna fly like a bird? Or swim like a fish? Then come for a ride in my adventure machine! Woohoo! Yeehaw! Oh, hi there! Hold on tight! Whoa! Oh boy, it's windy out there! Woohoo! And I love wind, 'cause today I'm gonna try to fly without engines! Ready? Let's go! Wah! Oh, nuts and bolts! Well, that didn't work. Looks like I'm gonna need some help from my friends. Woohoo! Check this out! See those white balls sitting in the tree? That's a nest, and it's full of eggs. Can you guess who's hiding in there? Baby spiders! Aren't they cute? These guys are great flyers, but can you see any wings? Nah. Baby spiders fly using something amazing. And these little guys are ready to leave home. So, the first thing they do is climb up and up and up. They want to get up where it's windy so they can get ready to fly. And can you guess what they use instead of wings? Cobwebs! Isn't that amazing? The baby spider sticks its bottom up in the air and starts spinning a parachute. It's a single thread of silk, light enough to be picked up by the wind and strong enough to carry the baby spider. Wow! The spider is flying without wings! Carried on the wind on the cobweb parachute, baby spiders can fly higher than the birds. They can even fly higher than jet aeroplanes. Woo! Oh! If baby spiders can fly without wings, then so can I. But I think I can build it better. Okay, hit it! Come on! Woohoo! Check out my silk parachute. Let's go high! Yeehaw! It's working! Yeehaw! Thanks, baby spiders! Whee!
Whoa! All right, where's Claudia? we interrupt your broadcast to bring you this breaking news.
That's right. It's March, and something amazing is happening right now.
Yes, it's a... Oh!
Oh, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. You go ahead.
Okay. In a World Watch exclusive, we're bringing you the first baby photos of some amazing monkeys.
Really? Oh, that's really exciting.
I know. Let's do it.
We cross now live to our cameras in the forests of Japan. I don't think that's the forest of Japan, lads.
He's a cute baby, though.
Oh, aye, he takes after his daddy. Shall we try that again? Okay, as I was saying, we cross now live to our cameras in Japan. Oh, that's much better.
Oh, here come the monkeys.
That's right. They are fluffy pink-faced thingies. Yes.
Macaques. Japanese macaques, because they live in Japan.
Oh, aye, Japanese macaques. That's the beasties. Yes. Wait. I've just been told that we have a baby.
Oh, look, over there with Mom.
Oh, a brand new baby. Oh, isn't it really cute?
And she's only 3 days old. Japanese macaques have their babies in spring when there's lots to eat.
Oh, look, a furry group hug. Oh.
I want to go and hug a baby macaque.
Well, you'd better hurry because the babies are being born right now.
That's right. They are the big news this May.
And you heard it here first on World Watch. Oh, one more
Sorry,
time.
I was distracted by the macaque.
Oh, fair enough. 1, 2, 3. World Watch.
Nice.
Yeah, not bad.
And we're clear. Great show, guys. Now let's set up for the next one.
Oh, boy. Owl is going to love this. I'm going to send it to him now.
How fascinating. I did not know that. Oh, I have a message. Oh my, it's from Flash. He's sending me another fascinating animal file. Oh, I wonder what it'll be today. Can you help me guess? Let's have a listen. What a strange noise. Do you know what it is? Good. Here come the pictures. That will help. Yes. There are a lot of trees. I think it must be a forest. Well, that looks like black and white fur. And are those whiskers? Ah, good. The download's complete. Let's see what it is. Aha! I recognize that family. And it looks like someone's been left behind. Now I know what animals Flash sent to me. They are Tasmanian devils, a mother and her joeys. And that noise is the littlest joey looking for his mum. No, eyes again. Delightful Tasmanian devils. Oh my, what a fascinating animal to add to my database. Thanks, Flash, and thanks to you for helping. Oh. Dear Flash, thank you very much for the lovely new addition to my animal database.
All right, where's Claudia? Where's Dougie? We are live in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Where's the camera?
I don't know.
Why's the desk over there?
I don't know.
There! Hello and welcome to World Watch. We interrupt this broadcast to bring you breaking news.
That's right. It's August, and something amazing is happening right now.
Oh, exciting stuff. Where are we going today?
China. That's where the cutest bears in the world are having babies. We cross now live to our cameras in the mountain, where a mama bear is meeting her baby for the first time.
Ha! Here I am.
I don't think that's China or bears.
Cute baby, though. Wrong camera, guys.
Shall we try that again, lads?
As I was saying, we cross now to our cameras in China. Oh yeah, much better. We are in a special reserve where people look after giant pandas.
Oh, look, they're so cute.
And they are really endangered, which means that there are not many babies being born.
And that's why this is such amazing news. Oh, wait. Yes! I've just been told that we're about to see our first glimpse of a new baby panda.
Oh my!
Oh, she's so tiny.
She's almost 1,000 times smaller than her mom.
But why is she pink?
Oh, because she hasn't had to grow all of her fur yet. And it will be another 3 months before she can even crawl. So Mommy Panda has to do everything for her tiny pink bundle of cuteness.
Oh, I want to cuddle a cute wee baby panda.
Well, you'd better hurry, because the baby pandas are being born right now.
That's right. They are the big news this August.
And you saw it here first on World Watch.
World Watch!
Okay.
And we're clear. Great show, guys. Now let's set up for the next one. Oh, boy! Owl is gonna love this. I'm gonna send it to him now.
How fascinating. I did not know that. Oh, I have a message. Oh my, it's from Flash. He's sending me another fascinating animal file. Oh, I wonder what it'll be today. Can you help me guess? Let's have a listen. What a strange noise. Do you know what it is? Good. Here come the pictures. That will help. Yes. Is that a little foot? And is that spotty fur? Oh, that looks cute. Ah, good. The complete. Let's see what it is. Ah, yes, a cozy burrow full of snuffling little babies. How wonderful! Well, that explains the noise. Ah, now I know what animal Flash sent to me. They are baby quolls from Australia. Sounds like they're hungry. And there goes Mother Quoll, home to feed her babies. And give them a cuddle. Magnificent. The quolls. Oh my, oh my. What a fascinating animal to add to my database. Thanks, Flash, and thanks to you for helping. Dear Flash, thank you very much for the lovely new addition to my animal database.
Hello and welcome.
We interrupt this broadcast with breaking news.
That's right, it's August, and something amazing is happening right now. What is it? Let's see.
Oh, babies.
I love babies.
We cross live now to our cameras in the forests of Australia, where a baby animal is about to come out of Mommy's pouch. Wait, what? No, that can't be right.
That doesn't look like the Australian forest to me.
But what a cutie.
Wrong camera, lads. Do you want to try that again?
As I was saying, we cross live now to our cameras in Australia. Yeah, that's more like it. And look. Oh, the Tasmanian devil.
Whoa, that's a big baby.
Oh, he's not a baby. He's the daddy devil.
So where are the cute babies?
Oh, they're inside a burrow underground and... Yes? Yes? Oh, yes. We are crossing now live to our special cameras inside the burrow that you can see in the dark. There she is, the mommy Tasmanian devil.
Oh, come on. I still don't see any babies.
Well, that's because they have been growing up inside a pouch on her tummy.
Really? Gee whiz. Do you know, I don't think I could carry a baby in my tummy.
Oh no, it's not just one baby. Take a look at this.
Oh, they are cuties. Oh, look at them. They're leaving the pouch.
They're adorable.
So why were the babies in the pouch on their mum's tongue?
Well, Tasmanian devils are marsupials.
Oh, marsupials. You mean like kangaroos?
Exactly. And just like kangaroos, they keep their little babies inside a pouch until they are big enough to look after themselves.
Wow, that's really clever.
I know. And now our little Tasmanian devil babies are leaving the pouch to have a look around.
Whoa, no wonder they're excited. I don't think I'd like to have been stuck inside a pouch on my mummy's tummy.
And their mommy seems pretty happy too.
No wonder they're the big news this August.
And you saw it here first on Worldwide.
Watch.
Oh, nice.
Thanks. You know, I almost missed out on that one.
You know, we're getting really good at this.
And we're clear. Great show, guys. Now let's set up for the next one.
Oh, boy. Owl is going to love this. I'm going to send it to him now.
How fascinating. I did not know that. Oh, I have a message. Oh my, it's from Flash. He's sending me another fascinating animal file. Oh, I I wonder what it'll be today. Can you help me guess? Let's have a listen. What a strange noise. Do you know what it is? Ah, good. Here come the pictures. That will help. Yes. Is that an eye? A peekaboo? Let's see. Oh, might that be a tail? Ah, good. The download's complete. Let's see what it is. Aha! It's a baby. And she's not very steady on her feet. Well, that explains the noise. Ah, now I know what Animal Flash sent to me. She's a baby elephant. Oh, what a lovely little girl. She's just been born. And now she has to learn to walk. Oh, and look at her very proud mother. Oh, congratulations. A baby elephant. Woohoo! Oh, my, oh, my. What a fascinating animal to add to my database. Thanks, Flash, and thanks to you for helping. Ooh. Dear Flash, thank you very much for the lovely new addition to my animal database.
It's time for Ninja Pop! Here's the Ninja Gorilla. I wonder what animal he's making today. Do you know what it is? It's an emu. Yeah.
See you next time. Bye.
Oh boy! Owl is gonna love this. I'm gonna send it to him now.
How fascinating. I did not know that. Oh, I have a message. Oh my, it's from Flash. He's sending me another fascinating animal file. Oh, I wonder what it'll be today. Can you help me guess? Let's have a listen. What a strange noise. Do you know what it is? Good. Here come the pictures. That will help. Yes. Is that a nose? Can you see an eye? Oh, goodness me. I think that is an ear. Ah, good. The download's complete. Let's see what it is. Oh, how exciting! Oh, I do believe a baby has been born. And that is the sound of his mother licking. Oh, how lovely. Now I know what animals Flash sent to me. That's Mummy Moose and her baby. She's licking and sniffing him so she'll always remember his smell. Look, oh, his first footsteps. Oh, whoops-a-daisy. Try again, little baby. Oh, salutations and congratulations. The moose. Oh, my, oh, my. What a fascinating animal to add to my database. Thanks, Flash, and thanks to you for helping. Oh. Dear Flash, thank you very much for the lovely new addition to my